Alright guys, it's my final day here at Barceló. I'm gonna finally do the room tour. I mean, I really should have done it when I just got here, when the room was all nice and fresh, but that didn't happen, so I'm gonna do it now. So let me take you through. Let me open the curtains because the curtains are closed. Oh god, let there be light, and there is light. Can you see me? Yeah. Alright, I think it's better with it closed. Maybe? No. Open it is.
Tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy and love.
Alright, so I'm starting out on the balcony, right? The balcony has this like really nice jacuzzi that I knew I said I was gonna use, but I didn't because I don't know, it just didn't happen. But the jacuzzi looks nice and deep for like 2 or 3 persons. See, I could like sit down comfortably. Let's see. Yeah, I could sit down comfortably, and then someone else could sit here and then someone else there. So you know, you and your girlfriends, 3 of you could sit down in the jacuzzi and like have a nice glass of something to drink, and you know, some music playing and just chatting. If you like it outdoor in the jacuzzi, or you're like at the pool, that's the kind of vibe. Because it's big and spacious, and it... No, I'm sorry, I actually didn't get to use it. But I head into the airport in a few minutes, so I can't use it anymore. But this is the jacuzzi, man. This is actually quite convenient, and it's on the balcony, so it's outside. Let me show you. See? You hear the birds chirping, you're surrounded by some greenery, and you're just like, it's kind of relaxing. And I don't know if you guys can hear the music in the background, but yeah. And then for privacy, right, which I think is so important, and I think I actually want to find out where they bought this thing so I can put it at my apartment. They have this shutter, can you see, that rolls down, so it rolls from the top to the bottom. And that helps with privacy, because when you're sitting here, you can see to the pool, you can see the lawn, you can see everything. So it's important that you have privacy. You can roll it down, you and your boo in the pool, in the tub, and you don't want nobody to know what's going on with, you know. So I think that is good. Let me roll it up so you guys can see. And there is light. It's all rolled up. And then this is the view. I'm seeing the view of the property, and the pool is over there where you see that blue, and then this is the property. All right, so over here there's some seating, 2 chairs and a table. For if you don't want to be over there, you can be over there. And there's a little shelf over there if you want to put the soap or the music box or whatever you have. Quite convenient. And then they gave some soaps and bubble bath. So now let's enter the bedroom. Alright, so now we enter officially into the bedroom. But this area of the bedroom has some seating. So there's seating to the left and seating to the right, you know, and then a coffee table in the middle, of course. So this is again convenient for if you just want to be in here and relax, you have a group of friends, or you just don't want to be on the bed. You know, sometimes we come in and we have on the clothes. Well, at least for me, when I come in, I have the clothes from what I wore on the street today. I don't go on the bed with that clothes. So I usually go and shower, but before I shower, if I'm not yet ready to shower, I sit in the couch. That's just my thing though. I don't know if everybody does that, but yeah, couch is convenient and you can sleep on it because it's long and wide, so that's good. Over here it's an all-inclusive hotel, so there is the minibar, fridge that's stocked with juices and water, Coca-Cola and the works, and then the usual coffee, tea and snacks, which is peanuts. Here's my reservation about the food option in the room. It's an all-inclusive hotel, but the room service menu isn't all-inclusive, and that's a bummer because I'm used to hotels where if it's all-inclusive, everything is all-inclusive. So if you order from the room service, it's usually either 24 hours and it's usually included in the package. So that's a bit of a bummer for me because I don't want to spend no extra money on eggs. I mean, if I were at another hotel where, you know, you have to pay for the stuff, fine, but I guess I'm spoiled for the hotels that I've been at, because for those, usually if it's all-inclusive, everything is all-inclusive, so it kind of threw me off a little bit. But anyways, let's continue. So then I said the minibar is there, and then there's a safe on top that I usually use whenever I go to any hotel. I usually store my stuff in the safe because, you know, for safety. So just behind me is the bed that's not very well made up right now, because as I said, it's my last day and I kind of just try to fix it a little bit because I need it. But the bed, and it is comfortable, to be honest. I slept like a baby. And you know the good thing about this room that I like? The curtains. Whenever you close the curtain, the room just get black, like you don't know so the light outside. The room gets dark and then it just get comfortable and it's cool. And I didn't sleep with the AC at all. I slept with the fan. I turned off the AC because the AC was just a little too cold. No matter how high I turned the temperature, it was too cold. So I turned it off and sleep with the fan and then close the blind. So even at 7 o'clock in the morning when it's bright outside, it felt dark, it felt like night, and that made me have a really good sleep. Let me demonstrate quickly. So let me close the curtains. Look at that. You see, instantly. And then let me turn off the lights now so you guys can see. Oh no, that's on. Look at that. Let me turn off. The bathroom light is on, so let me turn that off too. Look at that. Instantly. So like, you're in here in the dark and you're just like, oh my god, it's night. Let me continue sleeping. I mean, I'm on holiday, it's vacation, you know? So that's really nice. I actually really like that. And there is light. All right, let me get this bonnet off a little. Oh boy, look at my hair. Let's continue. So the bed, right? Bed is there, 4 pillows, the works. Then they have this net over the bed. I don't know, I guess it's just a part of the decor, part of the style, I don't know. I'm assuming it's supposed to match this artwork that's there, and these 2 lamps. And those 2 lamps that we can barely see because of the darkness. Now the bed, there are 2 lamps, usual alarm clock, phone, you know, the usual standard that's in every hotel room. And then as I turn around from the bed, there's the television. Not the best quality, to be honest. It was very grainy, but I only turned it on once. I don't really watch TV that much, so it didn't really affect me. I mean, I don't know, people go to a hotel and watch TV? I don't know, maybe you do. But anyways, and there's a computer desk, and that's what I used the most. As you can see, it's very messy right now because I've been there, you know, transferring stuff from the memory stick to the hard drive, and you know, stuff like that, watching back the videos to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So yes, I made very good use of that. And then there's a little seating area here that I used to store my bags. Didn't sit there. So once you're on the bed, you're sitting on the bed, you can, your back is turned this way, you can see the bathroom over there. It's not a big, it's not a room partition, it's just kind of like a wall with 2 mirrors, which is kind of cool. So you can see the sink. It's like an open concept. So over on that side would have been the living room, bedroom, and then bathroom. A nice easy flow of energy in the room, you know. And then so there you can see the back of the sinks and 2 mirrors and a countertop, and then 2 decor stuff. As you walk around, let me get my slipper, the floor is cold. Yeah. So as you walk around, you enter the bathroom area, right? This is the bathroom area with a closet, shelves on one side, hanging storage on the other side, the his and her sink. They gave some cups, and I didn't use any of these things, but this is like a, what is this, shower cap, vanity kit, shoe shine sponge, comb, you know, they gave all of those things, soap, sink. Yeah. And then in front of me is this floor to ceiling standing mirror, and this is the biggest robe you'll ever see. But yeah, it shows everything. This is where I get ready, and then they have the 2 lights up there, so makes it perfect. Then over here you have 2 doors, and behind the door, behind here, is the toilet. And then right here is a phone, so while you're, you know, doing that thing, you can be calling, hey girl, like I'm on the toilet and like it's not coming out, it's hard, ah, I run up the bed. Nah. And then in this door, behind this door, is a standing shower, which is like there, and then to the side they have like a seating area with towels on top, and then the soaps, bath soap, shampoo, conditioner. So yeah, that's the room. So it's a pretty decent room. The only drawback is the room service. I wish that was all-inclusive or included in the package, being that it's an all-inclusive resort, but I guess that's their thing. And the TV, I wish the TV showed a little clearer, but as I said, I don't really watch TV, so those are my only 2 cons. Everything else was perfect for me. No qualms, no issues. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So guys, I just want to thank you for coming on this journey with me to Dominican Republic, staying here at the Barceló Bávaro Grand Resort. Thank you so much. You know how hard that was for me to pronounce the name. I said it like 10 times incorrectly, but it's such a long name. It's been a wonderful stay for the most part. I want to thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and just continue. Thank you to all the new followers and subscribers, and welcome, and thank you for the returning ones, and welcome as well. So let's continue to grow. I'm at, I think, 4,000 subscribers, so let's bring it up to 5,000, and I have a giveaway when I get to 5,000, so look out for that. Thank you guys. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna end this vlog, and as usual, you'll see me in the next video.